Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix severe lag. Rubber banding in Diablo is Season 4 will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection content. Begin by thoroughly assessing your internet connection. Run a speed test using a reputable service like Oculus Speedtest to determine your download and upload speeds and ping latency. Low download speeds can cause asset loading issues, while high ping and packet loss directly contribute to lag and rubber bending. If your connection is unstable or slow, troubleshoot your modem and router by restarting them, checking for physical cable damage, and contacting your internet service provider. If problems persist, consider using an Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable and faster connection. Step update graphics, drivers, and game client content. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up-to-date. Outdated drivers frequently introduce compatibility issues and performance problems, leading to lag. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, and download the latest drivers for your specific card model. Similarly, verify that Diablo is fully updated. Launch the Blizzard Battle.net application. Look at Diablo and check for any pending updates. Installing updates addresses known bugs and optimization improvements that can significantly reduce lag.
Step B. Adjust in-game graphics settings content. Lowering your in-game graphics settings can dramatically improve performance. Start by reducing the resolution, aiming for a setting that maintains acceptable visual quality while boosting frame rates. Lower settings such as shadows, anti-aliasing, and texture quality will also greatly reduce the load on your system. Experiment with these settings to find the optimal balance between visual fidelity and performance. Consider disabling unnecessary graphical features like ray tracing or DOS, if available, as these are often resource-intensive. Step 4. Close background applications content. Background applications consume system resources that can negatively impact Diablo's performance. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background, including web browsers, streaming services, and other resource-heavy software. Utilize the Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on macOS to identify and close programs consuming significant memory or network bandwidth. This frees up resources for Diablo, improving its responsiveness and reducing lag. Step: optimize Windows or macOS system content. Optimize your operating system for better performance. Defragment your hard drive Windows or run disk cleanup utilities Windows and macOS to remove unnecessary files and improve disk read-write speeds. Ensure your system has sufficient RAM. If running low, consider closing unnecessary applications or upgrading your system's memory. For Windows users, consider adjusting power settings to prioritize performance over power saving to ensure optimal processing power is dedicated to the game.